Have you think of you making beef frittata for your family? If not, this is the right video for you to watch on how you can make your beef frittata for the whole family. Just delicious and easy to follow. Breakfast is set after making this. Your husband, your boyfriend, your fiance will tell you say you do well for this recipe. Let's dive on this video. Making this recipe, we are going to be needing beef. Over here is beef. First of all, I'm going to chop in the beef in a little biteable size. Our today hug goes to Chineye Nzako, watching from Nigeria. Thank you, sweetie, for being part of the family. Always let us know where you are watching from so that the next hug will be for you. Now I will be blending the beef. I will just add all of it inside a blending cup, just like that. Then after doing that, I'll be blending this with a little bit of cooking water. So just adding a little bit of it, then cover that to blend. You have to blend that until you have a nice and smooth blend. You don't need to blend it roughly, just have to smooth. So after doing that, I'll just add it inside a mixing bowl. Now I will season the beef. I will be leaving all the names of the ingredients I use in the comment section and in my description box. Don't forget to check my comment section for the names of the ingredients I use for this particular recipe. I'll just mix that together, and after doing that, I will be breaking in some raw egg. I have about 7 raw egg. I will just add all of it. Then after doing that, screw everything together. If you haven't shared this post, what are you waiting for? This is the right time for you to give it a share, so that when you are going to try this for your family, so that you're not going to miss some more. So make you try share and share, so that other people go still see the video. And always try to drop your like so that the video go for my people. So now I'm done. I will just add it inside a pan. I will just keep it aside. So next I will be adding is plantain. Over here is the plantain I will be needing for the recipe. So I will just cut the plantain and give it a little bit of slice, just like this. So after slicing all of it, I'll just add it inside this bowl. I did not show how I slice it, just normal how you slice your plantain cheese, just the same size. So now I'm done slicing it, and this is what I have. I will just add it on top of the egg and beef mixture. So I will just add all the plantain, and after doing that, this is how it look. So next I will be adding is some hot pepper, and then adding yellow and red bell pepper. So this is just it. I'll just add in that red bell pepper and yellow bell pepper. So after doing that, I'm going to be baking this with heat, which is fire. So I will baking that. I'll just add it on top of gas and let this to bake for 25 minutes with low heat. So next I'll be preparing is some banana smoothie. So I'm going to be downloading this with banana smoothie. So I just have the banana there. Then next I will be adding is this vegetable milk. So this milk, you can use it for vegetable, you can use it for juice. So this is the particular milk good for life. So this is what I'm going to be using for this smoothie. I'll just add a little bit, not that little. So just like this, I will just keep that aside, then blend this together. Trust me, this just go well with this plantain frittata. So I wanted something to download it, so I just get this done, and after blending, I'll just keep it aside. So by now the frittata is ready, guys. Just take a good look at that. So now it's 25 minutes later. This is what I have. So I will just cut it that beautiful cut, then enjoy and serve the family. Trust me, everyone enjoy this. I did not even chop up to 2 because it not reach my hand again. They don't rush out. So you understand me, guys. This is just for it, and we love it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to try this for your family, and don't forget to share this video to people around you. See you in my next one. Bye bye.